like taking some pictures, or do you enjoy editing some of your pictures? In today's video, we have listed some photo editing applications for your smartphone. InstaSize. InstaSize is a photo editing application with various features. You can trim, correct colors, post-processes to design your photo or video. This application also has various filters, borders, font sizes, and models. This all-in-one tool can edit your photos and videos with high quality. This application is also creatively designed with monthly updates, so you can always see the fresh content of this application. InstaSize also has a friendly user's interface. It is also available in free and premium mode on Google Play Store. Adobe Photoshop Express. This application is very easy to use as it has a simple interface that everyone can use. This photo editing application. It is also very light for your smartphone as it offers interesting features, and one of them is the blemish removal feature, where you can clean your photos from any spots that are not quite comfortable to see. Adobe Lightroom. This photo editing application from Adobe offers a professional light photo editing software that is used by many professionals, photographers. It can also change and manipulate your photos according to your preference. Photolab Picture Editor. These photo editing applications have some excellent features such as filters, camera application, drawing tools, effects, and social platform functions. One of the most prominent features on this photo editing application is the filter called Magic Effect, where you can edit your pictures to look alive and stunning.